Hey guys, this is Joey from Linbay-Rolling. Welcome to our channel. So we are testing the pre-punching line for our rolling shutter Slat roll milling machine. As you can see, there are two different styles of the rolling shutter Slat, because the production demand for this solid style is more than the perforated style. So we set another separate production line. We set another separate punch line for the roll milling machine. And in this punching line, we have the decoiler, the punching station, and the recoiler. This is the punching station, and it's very easy to change the mode. As you can see, the whole design and is quite different from this whole design. This is the hydraulic punching station. As you can see, the steel coils we are using right now and the product in my hand have different hole designs because this means we have to change the mode, and it's very convenient and easy for our workers to change the mode. Only need 10 minutes to pull it out and replace another new mode on the punching station. Quite convenient. And after the punching station, the steel coil will go into the recoiler. We will recoil the steel coils with the perforated holes, and then use the perforated steel coils to produce the rolling shutter slats like this. This is the sensor. When the steel coils touch the sensor, it means the recoiler's speed is not enough, so it has to raise the speed to recoil the steel coil. And if the steel coil is higher than this place, it means we have to slow down the recoiler speed. So after this, the steel coil will put on the recoiler, and we can use the perforated steel coil to produce the profile. It's a very cost-effective design for our customer. So if you have any production demand for this perforated rolling shutter slats, it's a very reasonable and cost-effective solution for you. If you are interested in this punching line, please contact me. This is Joey from Linbay-Rolling. See you next time.